Andito na naman si Junior Chef Sofia. Huh? What are you cooking,
So
Pinkay?
basically pancake batter and apples.
Pancake batter and apple together.
Yeah. Mommy did it with me before.
Wow, pancake batter with apple, yeah? Okay. Where did you get this idea?
Mommy.
Really? Unbelievable ba? Partida pa yan, oh. Wala pang sapatos yan. Wala pang tsinelas yan. Galing ni Pinkay, ah. Then afterwards, lunch. Wanna try this later? This is gonna be like dessert?
No, this is breakfast.
Breakfast! Wow!
But don't worry, like, because I was complaining last time that I'm breaking my fast with sugar. Don't worry, this is no sugar except for the apple. It's not sugar. Healthy sugar.
Healthy sugar. Okay. I'm excited too. Okay. Keep on.
It's really weird.
Yeah. So, si Hana, nasa work. Alam niyo na, vacation time ngayon ni Sofia. So, dalawa kami rito. At least natututo talaga siya ng mga gawaing bahay pag bakasyon. Loto, linis, ganyan siya rito. Good? Wow. Ito kasi, itong apple na to, galing to sa garden ni Mamingka. So, it's sweet apple, right? From Mamingka's garden.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just going to see.
Nice one, Pinkay. I love when you learn how to cook. Yeah, that's really like basic skill ng tao. Especially you, your kid.
I'll put this one again one more time. I don't think that one's ready.
Okay.
Later, I'll put it later.
And our Sissy.
At first, I wanted to make stewed apples, but I thought that might be like too hard for me. Just apples, put water, cinnamon, just boil it, stew it.
You learn eventually. Yeah.
Guys, this is my breakfast. I made. Look at it inside. This is the apple. Don't worry, it's not the butter. This is the apple.
That's apple covered with
Pancake batter.
butter pancake.
A pancake.
Pancake. Buttered pancake. You put butter, right?
No, butter. Like the
Oh, right. Okay. Yeah, I understand. Wow. Healthy breakfast, Pinkay. But did you put sugar? That's good. Really? So, only like flour. You put flour,
flour, egg.
egg, milk. That's it? No salt. So, flour, egg, milk, and then
Apple.
apple. Oh, that's nice. That's healthy. So, she's learning.
But I made some of them raw.
Raw?
Yeah, because
What do you mean raw? The flour?
no, the butter, because I cut some of them on
Butter is okay, as long as it's not flour. Yeah.
butter, but the butter is with flour, eggs, and milk.
All right. Okay. So we're when you cook like that, you're supposed to be the fire must be in low. You need to be patient.
Because it's not equal. It's not the same size. We cut it equally, so some parts. Imagine this place didn't get enough.
Okay, you're supposed to put like stand like this. You use tongue.
This one was equally made, so this one's good. This one has no raw in it.
Yeah. All right. Okay.
She wants some, but I don't think she can have this butter.
Wow. Si Madam Hana ang taga-arrange ngayon. Kasi puno na yung sa garage. Oh, siya ang taga-arrange. Ako naman ang taga-hakot. Marami pang hakotin. Sobrang init ngayon dito sa Czech Republic. 33 degrees Celsius. Bukas 37. So, si Mila naman busy doon. May ginagawa. So kami ni Hana ang nagtapos itong mga bato. Yan. Okay. Si Mamengko. So 2 rounds na lang. Okay. 2 hakot pa yan. At kasi ina-arrange talaga ni Hana na maayos para hindi magiba. Kasi next year pa ito gagamitin eh. Yan. Si Mamengka nagre-relax doon. Yan si Hana. Oh. Difficult to arrange? Darling?
No.
It's okay? Yeah. So ito pa. So yun. Si Miranda na. Pinapalitan niya yung tiles ng steps. Okay. Pawis na si Japit boy. Ganun talaga. Basta bayanihan, madali lang yung trabaho. So pagkatapos ito, take shower, relax. Wala rito si Sofia, nasa Opava. Pinuntahan yung cousins niya doon sa Opava. So doon siya nakatambay. So ayan mo na. Alam niyo na pag nagdadalaga yung anak niya she loves to go out with her friends. Pag mga ganyan, pinababayaan ko basta alam ko kung anong oras siya uuwi. Hey. Why are you taking my job? So she doesn't believe me. I told you 2 rounds more. She wanna see. She doesn't believe me. That's 2 rounds. See? That's 2 rounds.
Sisi, patan. Poj. Poj, Sisi. Poj. Patan.
Masagasaan ka na naman ng kotse uli. Yun. Go, bias. Go. Yan. Alright. Last round. So, yeah. Bayanihan system, di ba? Then after this, Japit boy will take shower and watch Philippine news. Right, okay.
Sisi. Sisi, let's go. Sisi, poj. Poj, Sisi. Poj. Poj, Sisi. Sisi. Sisi, poj.
2 more. 2 more. 2 more. And
Last one.
finish. Woohoo! Working hard. Konec.
Ja, super. Today to dáme tam ty 4. A to je rovné zagrané,
Yeah.
to mi galite.
That's it. Dumaan dito sa bahay. Wow. Ang baba. Oras is 8:00 ng gabi. Wala rito sa bahay si Hana kasi pumunta sila doon sa yung mga plums kung saan pwede kang mamitas ng mga plums. Ngayon naman ang kinuha nila yung mga apples, gawin nilang kompot. Ang dami doon talaga, ganda rito. So usually yung mga tao kumukuha doon para gawing kompot, gawing jam, apple, plums. So andun sila ngayon, 8:00 na ng gabi. Sabi sa akin pauwi na sila. So nilabas ko yung aso, si Sisi, kasi bago matulog ay magdudumiyan, iihiman. Yan siya, oh. Naghahanap ng pwesto. Mga ganyan yung style yan, naghahanap yan ng pwesto para dumumi o umihi. See? Ihi. Yan. Okay, talagang summer na summer dito sa Czech Republic. alas 8 ng gabi, talagang sobrang tahimik dito. Wala kang maririnig kahit ano. Marinig mo lang minsan, may dumadaan na kotse. May nagtatahol na aso. Pero bukod dyan, yung mga kapitbahay mo. Kaya ito sa loob na ng bahay, maaaring nagre-relax. Katulad ni Milan. Kasama ko ngayon dito si Milan, nagre-relax siya sa kanyang relax place. Yan. Kaya mura yung beer dito kasi yung mga tao, parang yung beer dito, pangkatuwaan nila. Kaya mura yung beer dito kasi yung mga tao may uminom ng beer. Diba dapat pag yung demand is marami, dapat nagmamahal ang product. Nagmamahal man yung beer dito pero hindi gaano. Mura pa rin. So yan. At nihintay ko lang si Sisi na matapos ng kanyang seremonyas para pasok na sa loob. So dumating sila galing sa pamimitas ng prutas.
Back?
Sumama si Sophia. Kaya lang, hindi ko alam na umalis sila. Papakita ko sa inyo yung prutas. Yun, ang dami oh. Plums, apples. My goodness.
We were on a market and we bought this one.
Market. Market, yeah. Oh, wow.
I went to shopping anyways, guys. Mama. But look at these. Oh, we've collected.
Wow. Look at this. If you are just, what you call that?
Villager?
Villager.
Yeah, pag masipag kang mamitas talaga doon, ito yung makukuha mo. Diba? Galing, diba? So what can you say about Czech Republic? Fruits are free
Good.
during summer. Yeah.
Yeah, but most people grow their own fruit.
Yeah. Good job. Abangan nyo yung next vlog ko kasi magkita-kita kami ng mga Filipino dito sa Opava, doon sa lake. So medyo marami-rami kami ngayon kasi nga parang magse-celebrate kami ng birthday ng dalawang kaibigan natin dito na Pilipino sa Opava. So ang dadaling kong pagkain yung madali lang lutuin. Nagluto ko ng pinakupsan. Alam nyo, pag nasa parang nagka-camping kayo, parang nagka-picnic kayo, kung lang yan parang pichi-pichi yung tawag sa amin, yung finger foods. Kaya ang niluto ko ay ito, pinakupsan. Madali lang siya yung pork belly na niluto mo sa sarili niyang mantika. Nilagyan mo lang ng asin, saka paminta, yung pampalasa. Yan, masarap to. Yan. Okay? So, yun. After lunch, magkikita doon sa lake. At so, pupunta ako ngayon doon. Abangan niyo po yung next vlog ko. Yung pagkikita namin mga Pinoy dito sa Opava.